Hello there and welcome to your daily Qigong practice. Today we're going to do mobility exercises, or sometimes these exercises are called Dao Yin. They're designed to get your body moving, to engage major muscle groups, to make sure that you have all the joints working. That will naturally improve circulation and the energy flow throughout the body. You can use this as a warm-up or as a cool-down, or generally, I like to do these exercises every day to make sure that I keep my joints healthy and my circulation strong. But before we begin, if you think you can benefit from longer routines or enjoy watching YouTube videos advertising free, consider joining my membership site. I'm going to put more information for you in the description below this video. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Begin in a standing position with your feet firmly planted on the ground. Unlock your knees, bring your tailbone forward and lengthen down to relax your lower back. Your lower back should feel nice and flat. Keep your spine nice and straight, shoulders relaxed. Keep your chest relaxed, your belly open. Bringing your chin slightly in to lengthen through the back of the neck. And mentally draw a line extending beyond your body, elongating through your spine upwards. And as you do that, become aware of your physical body, relaxing down, feeling yourself connected and grounded through your feet. All happens at the same time. We're going to begin from our feet. Let's warm up our feet and the ankles. So just rock back and forth, trying to get as much surface covered as you can. Especially your toes, putting some pressure on your big toes. The rest of them helps to activate the acupressure point located on our feet. If you feel yourself rolling out, if your balance not quite the same as it used to be, just don't come too high. Comfortably engage in the muscles and then relaxing, rocking back. And one more time, up and down. Place your foot on the big toe with your ankle rolls. Then change the direction. Let's keep the number 6 repetitions, easy to remember. Good. And then we change sides. And change again. Just make sure you get that nice range of motion in your ankle. Very good. Keep your feet parallel. Moving on to the knees. I like to keep my upper body nice and straight, the spine is straight, and just fully relying on the legs, distributing the weight. And let the knees breathe. Feeling the muscles, feeling the tendons, feeling the joints. We've done 6, we change the direction. And 6. Very good. And then bring your feet together. What we're going to do is we're going to stretch the back of the knee, it's an important area. And then come forward, stretch it out, come forward. Again, 3 more to go. Very good. And last one. Open up, bend your knees and stand up. Very good. Shake loose to the side, bring your feet parallel. From here, we're going to do the hip rotation. When doing the hip rotation, make sure you have a nice round shaped circle that you're trying to cover with your hips. It doesn't have to be a big range of motion. You can start small, especially if this is your first exercise of the day, and gradually increase the range when you feel comfortable. Change the direction. Very good. Come back to center. Dropping your tailbone down, unlocking your knees, and then bring your feet together. We're gonna open the hip. But today we're gonna let the foot touch the floor and then bring it back. Open and bring it back. We do 3. Good stuff. And then we switch sides. Open, bring it back. Very good. Shake loose to the side. Well done. And then keep your feet parallel. We're going to move to the joints in the upper body, starting from the wrists. Your fist here is loose, the size of an apple between your palms, and we roll in the wrist. Then change the direction. Very good. Open up, stretch out, stretch in the fingers, and then relax. And make your hands into a loose fist. Keep them together, always touching, especially the back of the hand. Focus on the elbow joints. Just keep them rolling out and then rolling back in. Last one. Roll it out and relax. Moving on to the shoulders. We're going to circle the arm out 6 times to the back. Last one. And then same arm, change the direction 6 times forward. You can determine your pace yourself, depends on how you feel, the status of your joints. You can go as slow as you wish, just making sure you get that nice rotation in your joints. Good. Bring it forward and relax. You actually feel the difference between the 2 sides of the body. Same on the other side. Last one to the back. Then switch sides. Last one. Very good. Relax for a moment. Just let your upper back relax, shoulders down your arms. And this exercise is a good one. It's good for the shoulders, especially if you have a frozen shoulder. I get a lot of questions, what do I do if you can't raise your arms out? So raise it to shoulder height, but your shoulder stays fairly relaxed. And we're going to rotate Engage in the muscles on the shoulder and the back and open. And then rotate back and bring it to center. Open as you expand, going out. Rotate as you bring it in. Couple of those. This also helps to open the chest. If you have tightness in your chest. But this exercise works the rotator cuff muscles quite nicely. Very good. Bring it in and one more. We open, rotate, bring it back. Let your hands relax down. We're here to rest. And then we're going to move on to the neck. 6 times. Chin up, chin down. We're not trying to pull. We're not trying to overstretch. So neck is a very sensitive area. Be mindful, be gentle. So trying to feel the muscles being activated. And one more time. Back to straight, left and right, to chin to the shoulder. Very good. Last one. Come back. We've done the arms, we've done the legs. Let's focus on the spine. This is a fantastic exercise. First thing in the morning or midday. A crane drinking from a pond. Going forward, making sure you have the back of the neck nice and open. And then drawing everything in. Slowly rolling back up and finishing nice and straight, nice and settled. Going forward. Coming back up. On an inhale, we go forward. On an exhale, we roll up. See if you can feel the entire spine. Feel it supple, feel it mobile, feel it engaged. Very good. One more time. Standing back up, relaxing the entire body. And then to decompress and stretch all the meridians, all the muscles and tendons in the body at one time. Come up on your toes, pressing upwards, opening up. Stay here for 3 breaths. Really trying to lift yourself off the ground and then release and come back down. Relaxing your entire body, feeling the space, relaxing the muscles, relaxing the joints, feeling the circulation. Then close your hands and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me today. I hope this was useful. I practice those exercises on a daily basis before my Qigong, before my Tai Chi practice, before my meditation. So to really move the joints, to really get that circulation going. Let me know how it went for you in the comments below this video. And as always, keep well, and I'll see you tomorrow.